Hello, and welcome to the assembly guide for the Montauk solid wood bench. As you open and unpack the box, we recommend organizing all like pieces together. Even if your box is damaged, it doesn't mean the product is damaged, and we offer free replacement parts if something is broken or missing. Ensure the pilot holes on the legs are facing toward the middle of the bench. Our furniture is both 100% solid wood and 100% sourced from renewable forests in Brazil. A downloadable PDF of the assembly instructions is available for download on the products page on grainwoodfurniture.com. Do your best to center these felt pads on the bottom of the legs.